Roofing specialists. Professional, local roofers in Richmond. We install and repair commercial roofs and residential flat roofs. There are many different shingle colors to choose from. We install new gutters and provide gutter cleaning and repair. We offer a wide range of services including new construction, roof replacement, metal roofs, and roofing repairs. We offer consistent, high-quality installation and repairs. Our workmanship is always guaranteed. We will ensure that your roof has good ventilation, which is important for your comfort. Our experienced roofers install shingle roofs, tile roofs, shake roofs, metal roofs, and flat roofs. We use only the best quality materials. We work with homeowners, contractors, developers, and business owners for their roofing needs. We provide residential and commercial roofing and repairs. Roofing specialists. Call now for a free roof inspection and estimate. 804-269-8110